beyond our control. We do regret to inform you that the Jungle Cruise is still open. Once again, we are still open. We do apologize for the inconvenience.
I'll take us minus 90 minutes. Okay. Okay, so go. Oh, no, you're not. So sorry. I don't know what I was my last boat, but you got nothing to worry about. Okay, yeah, that's all beneath us. I mean, behind us. Is what I meant. But yeah, come on and watch your head, watch them, and use those handles. Oh, but then my friend in the very back, just letting you know, you're actually sitting right where the batteries at. I know a lot of negatives and positives about that area. It's shocking, right? But you know what, just for you, you can sit there free of charge, right? Alright friends, well here we go, just a few moments. We're gonna be waiting for 3 little match squirts. My skippers on the dock. I got permission to hit something. Okay friends, wave goodbye to the beautiful people back in that dock. Everyone wave goodbye, wave goodbye. You'll never see them again. Oh, but then yet again, you've never met them at all, right? Okay, no, that's perfect. Alright, and then my friends, well, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Alex. I'm gonna be your skipper for as far as we can get. If they just feel safety, friends, please remain seated. Please keep your hands between the legs and those elbows inside the boat at all times. Parents, please watch over your children. Children, please watch over your parents, okay? But now, friends, just before we do continue on, I do have one other reminder I gotta let you know about, okay? Now, friends, if you happen to drop anything in the water today, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna be raising your hand, and then I'll raise my hand, and we're both gonna wave goodbye at it, okay? Alright, but right over here we got the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where that's where we have a world famous archaeologist, Indiana Jones, searching for the lost treasure. But I was gonna tell a little funny story. A couple months ago, I actually invited him to a very exclusive New Year's party, but the guy turned me down. He said he hates it when the ball drops. Yeah, I know, right? Now, friends, if you look right across on that side, wow, we have a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Yeah, they can jump up to 30 feet. But good thing we're only 15 feet away from it, so it'll just jump right over our heads. Just like my jokes. And watch out for that, my friends! Are you okay right there? I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's Ginger. She snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. But other than that, friends, if you look over here, it looks like we've now made it to the sacred elephant bathing pool. Folks, go ahead, take out your cameras, take as many pictures as you want. As you can see, they all have their trunks on. And I'm going to give you a little fun fact about those elephants. Now, friends, did you know that elephants can grow up to 4 feet? And humans can grow 2? That's crazy, right? I know, that's crazy. Now, just up ahead, now over here, looks like we found, wait, who's that? Okay, that's Squirt. Wait, what are you doing, Squirt? No, Squirt, stay down. I am so sorry about that. No, Squirt, don't be rude. Okay. I think we're good to go now. Wait, what are you doing? Everyone, duck. Goose. Just a little dry humor, okay? But I promise, I would never put you through any danger, okay? Alright, then. Everyone see that? Yeah, that's danger. Let's get closer. Alright, it's right over here. We're entering banana country, so please keep your eyes peeled. Whatever you do, don't make banana noises. They may find it appealing, but wait, what's going on here? Oh no, guys, come on. And look what they did to my Jeep. They left the lights on. We'll never get it to turn over. But good thing we got it there, okay? But now I need you to pay close attention. I want to show you something, and I don't want you to miss it. Now, friends, if you look right over here on this side, right to the bamboo, look. You know what you see? Nothing. Yeah, absolutely nothing. But now, friends, but if you look just right in front of you, you'll see something very beautiful. Thank you, I appreciate that, thank you. But of course, friends, right behind me is Schweitzer Falls, but there's nothing to worry about, okay? We're gonna go over that later. Alright, so just over here, it looks like we made it to the Nile River. It's supposed to be the longest river in the world. It just goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. But if you don't believe me, you're in denial, okay? Now, friends, right over there, we have an African bull elephant. As you can see, they're known for the long ears. Great memory. I wish I remember like that. Oh, friends, right over here, we have an African bull elephant. As you can see, they're known for the long ears, long tusks, and great memory. I wish I remember like that. Yeah, but yeah, anyways, where was I? Okay, but now right over here, wow, would you look at that? We've made it to the African Gulf, where no handsome man has set foot on. Well, over there in the very back, we do have some gazelles. There's some giraffes, wildebeest, and up. Look at there, friends. We even have some of the world's most oldest animals here. That they're still black and white. Oh, that's amazing. Wait over there, friends. That's super adorable. Now we got a pack of lions protecting that sleeping zebra. Aww, super adorable. It does like that. That's tired, that's tired. Let him rest in peace, okay? Now, right over there, now, that's Skipper Felix. Wait, what? Skipper Felix! Oh, the rest of his crew. Oh, poor Skipper Felix. Well, come on, friends. There must be something that we can do. I got nothing. Yeah, so just forget about that, okay? Alright, but now just over here, and it looks like I made a wrong turn. Okay. Alright, friends, now over here, this is a hippo pool, but don't worry, we're gonna be fine as long as they're not making bubbles underwater, okay? And, oh, that's exactly what they're doing. What's going on? Oh my goodness, look at that, friends. We have that hippo charging at us. Good thing we all carry cash. Everyone come here! Okay, that did not even work either. Okay, I got another way. Watch this. I love you! Let's get married! Okay, I scared them away. Yeah, hippos are afraid of commitment. Yeah, as you can see, I will never live hippily ever after. I know. But let's stay on track, okay? Alright, now just over here now, it looks like this is the Mekong Maidens. Like, whoa, what happened here? Oh, okay, friends, I do have a deal with you. I do have a deal. Does anyone want to buy a boat today? Are you sure it's half off? But if you do need money, well, we got 2 banks in this jungle, okay? There's 2 banks. There's one on your right, and one on your left. Riverbank, right? Okay. Now, friends, now take a good look at those butterflies over there. Yeah, they just ain't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Alright, my friends, well, enough of that, but now if you take a good look just ahead of you, we're now approaching the moment you'll have been waiting for. It's the greatest, the colossal, the stupendous, the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! Everyone all together, O2H! 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 That's okay, friends, I understand, that was just super great, right? But I can tell you like chemistry jokes, is that correct? Yeah, no, that's perfect. So I actually have a few jokes about oxygen and potassium, but they're just okay. Now, some may say it's out of my element, but you know what, I'm just really lucky because I get to sit in periodically. I was kind of hoping for an explosive reaction with that one. But, thank you, I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, friends, now right over here, just up ahead, now that's a boa sitting on a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, second asphyxiation. Yeah, we gotta be very careful, okay? They may have a crush on you. You don't want to get too wrapped up, okay? Yeah, it's a really, really constructive relationship. Well, then that's nice. Over here now, this is Trader Sam's gift shop where you can pick up an official Jungle Cruise over there. Over in the very top now, looks like we have 2 monkeys. Yeah, they seem to be making a world record over there. Hi, Ollie. Okay, Ollie, please be nice to my guests, okay? Now, friends, many of you are probably wondering if that's water coming out through his nose. It's not. Oh, yeah. Alright, then, my friends, well, just up ahead, it looks like we're now reaching the scariest part of our journey today. We're journeying back to civilization. Oh, I know, I'm so sorry. But you know what, friends? Give us a round of applause. You've now survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Clap. You have been such an outstanding crew today. But you know what? Just a few moments, I will need you outstanding on that dock over there. Now, friends, when we approach the dock, please remain seated. Please keep your hands, feet, legs, and those elbows inside the boat at all times. Other than that, friends, I'm just going to ask you one question. I want you to be real with me, okay? I want you to be real. Did you have fun today? I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I had fun, too. But you know what? I had so much fun today. I think I'm going to go again. And again. And again. And again. Other than that, friends, get out. I am so sorry about that. That was just super rude, right? Please get out. Once again, friends, watch your head, watch the weasels, and my friends on this.